Good afternoon. I will be showing you how to use Narrator. Narrator is a basic screen reader that reads aloud text that appears on the screen and describes events such as error messages. And it's primarily used with Windows 8, but I think that it's also available on Windows 7. This program is for people with visibility issues or are blind. And basically what it does is it makes it possible for them to interact with the computer. So I'm going to open Narrator. Okay, so you can see right away, as soon as I open it, it speaks to me. And it tells me inside the blue box right here what I have my pointer on. I can use the arrow. So with this, I can navigate and change the settings in Narrator. Narrator is great because it makes it possible for people with low visibility to access their computer pretty easily. Like if I scroll over, we're gonna say Adobe, and I click and I on it. Okay, so you heard there that it gave me a bunch of information. First, it tells me what the program was that I clicked on, and where that program is located at in my program files. This is really great for people with low visibility to blindness because when we think about navigating a computer, having that additional information is natural to us because we can just see like the program files. We know that these are programs. But for someone who doesn't have visibility, this information is really helpful for them, primarily because it vocalizes the things that we would see. So the program does interact with Word. Okay. So whenever I opened Word, it automatically told me that I opened a blank document. It doesn't necessarily read back a like if you type a paper, it won't read back the paper to you um, because its interactions are with menus more so than the paper itself. It's not a read aloud program, but it does work in conjunction with other programs like Kurzweil or NVDA, if you're familiar with those. That those programs read documents. However, you also have to be able to turn off Narrator in order to utilize those programs at the same time because they can also conflict. However, one thing that's really great that Narrator does do when using Word is that if I type a letter, it says a letter for me. So the great thing about this program is that if someone is learning to use a computer, then they are able to hear the letter that they're typing and they don't have to worry so much about making sure that they're getting the right letters, especially great in conjunction with Braille stickers, keyboard stickers. It helps to teach Braille. So this is a great, simple program. It comes automatically. It's not anything that anyone has to pay for extra when using Windows 8 and Windows 7. If you're really interested in it and the other accessibility options that Microsoft has, they actually have guides on their website. If you go to microsoft.com/enable/guides, they have all different types of guides on how to make technology more accessible. Thanks and have a nice afternoon.
Charms. Screen recorder is narrator settings window. Exit narrator dialog. Exit narrator.